with the easy clear. Rangers have 3 power play goals in this series. What a move by Zibanejad. He scores for the 4th game in a row. A goal by Mika Zibanejad and a 2-0 Rangers lead.
Adjustments can you make to stop giving up those chances?
Well, there's a lot. I mean, we're shuffling the deck here a little bit just to kind of get a little more energy. We've had some good shifts. We've had a lot of chances, but like I said, it's always about what you give up. So I'd like to, limit that a little more.
Thanks, Rod.
Okay.
All right, Emily, thank you. Here's pressure again from the kid line and another goal on a backhand. Philip Hedl again.